Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Are you looking for the new pulls feature on your Cash App but can't find it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users are facing the same problem. In this video, we'll share the 4 most common reasons why the pulls option might not be showing on your Cash App. And at the end, we'll also give you simple solutions to fix it and bring back the pulls feature. We have already created separate videos explaining what the Cash App Pull feature is, its main benefits, and how to use it. You can find the links in the description. Here are the 4 main reasons why the pulls feature doesn't show on your Cash App. First, examine these reasons in detail, and then we'll discuss their solutions. The first one you can see here is app glitches and updates. Sometimes the Cash App doesn't work properly because of small glitches. This can cause some features like pulls to disappear from Cash App. The second reason is Cash App status. This is not actually an issue. If for any reason Cash App has not updated the pulls feature on your account, you will get a message about reason under the Cash App status. The third reason is account verification. If your Cash App account is not fully verified, then the pulls feature will also not show up on your account. The fourth reason is feature rollout. This is the biggest one. Therefore, for most users, the pulls feature doesn't appear in their Cash App mainly because of this issue. Cash App Pulls is a brand new feature and not all users get it at the same time. Cash App slowly rolls out new updates to make sure everything works smoothly. So if you don't see the pulls option in your app yet, don't worry. It's probably still being rolled out to your account and you should get it soon. Now let's talk about solutions for these all reasons. If there is any glitch or a new update, you can uninstall your Cash App and then reinstall it, update it completely, and restart your phone. This usually fixes the problem. The next reason is the Cash App status. Whatever message you see in your Cash App, try to fix the issue mentioned there. For more help, you can also contact Cash App customer care. The third reason is account verification. Here you just need to fully verify your account, and within a few days the pulls feature should appear in your Cash App. The last one is the feature rollout. In this case, you can't really do anything, you just need to wait. If the pulls feature still isn't visible in your Cash App even after 10 to 15 days, then you can directly contact Cash App customer support to solve this problem. So friends, these were the 4 reasons and their solutions for why the Cash App Pulls feature might not show up in your Cash App.